The band dislocate is a perfect quick drill for people that work all day at a computer or spend a lot of time on their phones, or in fact anyone in the modern day who has tight chest and stiff shoulders. So to perform this exercise, take a light resistance band if this is your first time, and take a nice wide grip. Keep your elbows locked out and then bring the band overhead all the way over towards your bum. If you feel a sticking point or your elbows have to bend to get the band overhead, then your grip is too narrow, so take it wider. We want to do 10 to 15 reps, and the stiffer the object that you're holding, i.e. the harder the resistance of the band, or you can use a stick or a pipe, PVC pipe for this exercise, the harder it will become. And the aim is to be able to move your shoulders through this full range of motion with the elbows locked out without compensating by jutting your neck forwards. Squeeze the bum, make sure that you keep your spine in neutral and that nothing moves apart from the shoulder capsule. This will stretch out your chest, get your shoulder joint lubricated, and help your posture and shoulder mobility.